the last thing we want to do is give this a little bit of a sense of presence, a sense of space. And so it sounds like we're now on a spaceship. So let's add a sense of kind of like that woo sound that you would usually hear in a spaceship. Let's go back to free sounds. Now we could just look up spaceship sounds where someone's already done it, or we could do something like add an air conditioner. There's a nice long clip. So let's listen to that. All right, so I think if we just bring that down really low, that'll add it and give us a nice sense of presence. So I'm going to download that. Once again, clicking here, clicking the download button. Okay, now that that's downloaded, we're going to go into our downloads folder. We're going to copy it over. Let's actually open up a Finder window here. Go to our name. Remember, whenever you download something, you always want to copy it into your audio files folder so that you don't lose it and you have it with you when you're moving from one place to another. There it is, dragging it over. And then we'll just call this spaceship right there. Now if we close that and close that, we can go into our media browser here, spaceship, and we'll just drag this down. Hit OK. I can navigate by moving this, so I'm going to bring this over and drag this back to this section. Now if we listen, hey, very loud, so I'm just going to bring the overall audio down. I can do this while I'm listening. How's it going?
Oh, it's going good. How are you?
I'm doing good.
That's great.
Hey, what was that?
I don't know.
All right, and then let's do one last thing. Let's select both of these and give them a sense of reverb, just like we had before. So we're going to go first select this track here. We're going to go to the effects rack, click. We're going to choose reverb and then studio reverb. Let's listen.
Great.
Hey, what was that?
I don't know.
All right, so we'll add that there, and we'll do the same right here. Select that. Every time we're going to go once again to reverb, studio reverb, and we'll keep it as is. Maybe bring the room size up a little bit there. The more effects that you put on a track, the more memory and processor power it's going to take. So you need to be aware of that. And I'm going to go back to my studio reverb again. I'm going to bring this one up to 80 as well so that they kind of match each other. All right, let's listen. Hey, how's it going? So you can see there's just a slight sense of reverb there. It makes it feel a little bit more like you're in a metal spaceship. All right, in the next section, I'm going to show you how to export this out.